A Democratic bill to extend unemployment benefits for 3 months passed through the U.S. Senate today. KEZI 9 News reporter Sarah Hurwitz spoke with the Employment Department to detail how it would impact people who receive benefits here in Lane County. She's live in the newsroom tonight. Sarah?
The bill would extend long-term benefits for an additional 3 months, giving folks more of a chance to get back on their feet. Now, people we spoke with have mixed feelings about the extension. Some say that people are asking for too much when they aren't working hard enough to land a job, while others say they're working hard but still need the help. Tuesday marked a major step forward in an effort to extend unemployment benefits. In a 60-37 roll call vote, Senate Democrats gave the green light for the measure to move forward. But here in Lane County, people have mixed reviews on the bill.
I believe that to help people who are willing to help themselves, if they can, I don't like giving money to somebody I believe is probably as able-bodied as I am.
Walt Razee says he understands persistence, and some may not be looking hard enough for a job.
I was a single parent for 10 years, and I know what it's with 2 children, and I know what it's like to work hard and barely make ends meet. I had to work, and some days were 16-hour days.
There are people out there that are having a hard time finding a job, and these unemployment benefits are a lifeline for them.
But Employment Department economist Brian Rooney says the bill is crucial for folks who've been unemployed long term.
People lost their job in the last recession. The economy has become more efficient and more technical, and people are having a hard time getting a job.
Rooney says as of November, 11,400 people in Lane County were unemployed. Of those, 4,500 were collecting benefits, and 3% will remain unemployed long term. One man who's been looking for work says he needs that extension.
A roof over your head, food, everything. If it wasn't extended, I wouldn't be able to do that.
Now, Brian Rooney says that the bill is for those who are long-term unemployed. That means you have to work you have to be without work for more than 27 weeks. And the final outcome of the bill will be decided during the next few days. Senate Majority Leader Harry Reid will need to clear a second 60-vote hurdle to bring the measure to a final vote. Live in the newsroom, Sarah Hurwitz, KEZI 9 News.